Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily pay your employees on Xero. So, all you have to do is head over to Xero.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on Business, then click on Pay Run. You can select from the existing pay runs, and you can also add in a new pay run. So we can start from scratch, then click on continue. Just enter in the pay frequency if you're paying your employee every 2 weeks or monthly or weekly, or you can also add in custom frequency. Also choose in the date of their job and also the last date covered and the date that you're going to pay them. Then once done, just click on next. Check the specific employee that you're going to make payments to. Also check if all the details entered here are all correct and also add in payroll tax if applicable and add in quantity. See, for example, they worked for 15 days. So we're going to add in 15 as quantity with their rate as 500 in a day and with the tax of, say for example, just 50 or 1,000. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on next. Review that all the details are correct, then click on approve. So from here, just proceed by clicking on batch pay employees. And from here, just select the bank account from which you're going to get the payment from. Say, for example, we're just going to get it on our savings account. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on make payments. To get a copy, just click on the specific transaction. So you have an option to print it to a PDF file or send it on an email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.